just want to thank you guys so much for loving me, for seeing me, appreciating me. This is so overwhelming. I know y'all like, she acting real weird right now, what's going on. Like, this is so overwhelming for me. And I don't know, I feel like being appreciated is, you can cut off the music. It's no music. I just think to feel appreciated is to feel loved. And to feel loved is, it makes me live in inspiration and in purpose. And you guys are the reason why I'm here. Like, I wouldn't be anything without you guys, really. I really wouldn't. And I love you so much. And Crazy Vaughn, thank you. Sean, I love you, thank you. Everybody that had anything to do with this, I'm so appreciative and forever humbled. And that's all. Thank you guys so much.